To adjust the video aspect ratio in Artlist AI, start by opening your Artlist account and going to the AI video generator. This is where you create videos using text prompts and AI models. Once you are inside the video generator, begin a new project or open an existing one. Enter your prompt and select the video model you want to use. After that, look for the aspect ratio settings in the generation panel. This setting controls the shape of your video frame before it is generated. Click the aspect ratio drop-down menu. You will usually see options like 16:9, which is the standard widescreen format used for YouTube and desktop viewing. You may also see 1:1, which is a square format commonly used for social media feeds, and 9:16, which is a vertical format used for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and mobile-first content. Select the aspect ratio that best fits your platform or project. Once selected, make sure your prompt supports that format. For example, if you choose 9:16, you may want to describe vertical composition, centered subjects, or full-body framing, so the AI understands how to structure the scene properly. After choosing your aspect ratio, review any additional settings such as duration or resolution if they are available. Then click Generate Video to start the creation process. The AI will process your request and generate a video based on your prompt and selected aspect ratio. When it is finished, preview the output carefully. Pay attention to how the subject is framed inside the scene, especially if you're switching between horizontal and vertical formats. If the composition doesn't look right, you can simply regenerate the video. In many cases, adjusting your prompt slightly, such as describing camera angle, framing, or subject placement, helps improve how the aspect ratio is used. Once you're satisfied, you can download the final video and use it for your project, whether it's for social media, presentations, or creative content. And that's how you adjust video aspect ratio in Artlist AI. Select your format, generate your video, preview the result, and refine until the framing matches your intended platform.